Good morning, boys and girls. Today we are working on our science learning target, which is we are learning to summarize and compare the life cycle of animals. Today's animal is the butterfly. We will explore the life cycle of the butterfly. So this story is called Butterfly Life Cycle, and it is brought to you with permission by Scholastic and the author. We open up this nonfiction book and we see a table of contents. Try to see all the text features as we read. Chapter 1, all about butterflies. Look, it's a butterfly. This book will tell you about the lives of these beautiful bugs. Butterflies are insects. They have 6 legs, just like ants, grasshoppers, and ladybugs. Butterflies have 4 wings. Each wing is covered with thousands of tiny scales. The scales give butterfly wings their bright colors. You have the parts of a butterfly. That's a text feature. Butterflies drink their meals through a thin tube called a proboscis. Their favorite meal is nectar, which they suck up from flowers. Take a look. You see close-ups of the scales. You see the close-up of the proboscis. Butterflies come in all different colors. Some have spots, some have stripes. Some seem like they have painted wings. But butterflies do not begin their lives looking this way. Let's take a peek at the life cycle of a monarch to see how they grow and change. But before we do, did you know there are 17,500 kinds of butterflies? How do you think these ones got their names? Take a look. You have the 89 butterfly, the tiger butterfly, the emerald butterfly, the peacock, the glasswing. I think that one looks pretty cool. It's clear. So listen up. Here's where we're going to start hearing about our life cycle. Chapter 2, from egg to caterpillar. A female monarch lays an egg on a leaf. The egg is tiny. One egg is about the size of the period at the end of this sentence. Some butterflies lay more than 1,000 eggs during their lives. Do you think it might be hard to see an egg on a leaf? I think so. After a few days, the egg hatches. Out wiggles a hungry caterpillar. First, the caterpillar eats its own eggshell, then it starts munching leaves. This is a newborn caterpillar. Some butterflies lay more than 1,000 eggs during their lifetime. It's a lot of eggs. Crunch, crunch, crunch. The caterpillar keeps eating and growing and changing. It starts out small and white, but soon it becomes long and covered with colorful stripes. Monarch caterpillars only eat milkweed plants. Now remember, this is the life cycle of a monarch butterfly. This is the caterpillar of a monarch. So not all caterpillars will look exactly the same. After about 2 weeks, the caterpillar takes a rest. It attaches to a twig or leaf and hangs upside down. Something amazing is about to happen. So monarch caterpillars have 16 little legs. Now we go from the chrysalis to the butterfly. The caterpillar, as it's resting, becomes a wrapped up package called a chrysalis. Inside the package, exciting changes are taking place. The chrysalis turns from green to clear. Presto changeo, the caterpillar has become a butterfly. A chrysalis protects a caterpillar as it changes into a butterfly. So take a look. You can see how it's green as it's forming and it goes to clear. You can even see the orange wings. And guess what happens next? The butterfly breaks out of the chrysalis. Then it unfolds its wings, which are soft and damp. The brand new butterfly waits in the sun for its wings to dry. Then flutter, flutter, away it flies. Here's a fast fact. Did you know monarchs flap their wings 5 to 12 times a second? That's pretty fast. Do you remember the 4 main steps in a monarch's life cycle? Take a look. Here's the life cycle review. Day 1, the female butterfly lays an egg on a leaf. After 4 days, a caterpillar hatches, it grows and grows. 2 weeks later, a caterpillar becomes a chrysalis, and 1 month later, a butterfly will break out of the chrysalis. The life cycle of a butterfly lasts for about 1 month. All grown up, chapter 4. In the fall, monarch butterflies do what birds do. They fly south for the winter. This is called migration. Some monarchs go to California and some go to Mexico. Along the way, they rest in the trees. So take a look at these butterflies flying, and you can see a map right here. Take a look, you can see if you look at it by the coast, North Carolina goes down. Some monarchs travel 3,000 miles. In early spring, the monarchs fly back north. A female lays an egg on a leaf, and then the butterfly life cycle will begin over again. All over again. Monarchs are poisonous to birds and other animals. Their bright wings say, "Don't eat me." So that was a little introduction to the life cycle of a butterfly. Now, today, your assignment is to read a little passage about butterflies and the life cycle of a butterfly and answer the questions at the bottom. When you're done, you're going to take a picture and submit it to your teacher in Seesaw. Thank you.